what's the role of the heirs in a probate case? What are their rights? What are their responsibilities? Well, if your parent or a loved one is deceased, you as an heir of the estate, you don't have any real duty. You don't have any responsibilities per se if you don't want to take it over. However, if you would like to inherit those assets that loved one left for you, if you would like to make sure that it doesn't just fall to the state or escheat to the state, as we love to say, then definitely there are some steps that you need to take. And there are some steps that you should take. If your loved ones died with a will, and you are the beneficiary of that will, you're the executor of that will, then you have a duty as the executor to take that will to the court to get probated. Because remember, in the state of Texas, you have 4 years to probate a will, or the person will be deemed to have died intestate. So, died without a will. If there's no will, and there's property that needs to be divided or given over to the new beneficiaries or new heirs, then you will have to probate that person's estate. You'll have to first determine the heirs for that estate and then ask the court to give you letters of administration so that you can deed property to the heirs or make sure that you grab those assets in the bank, what stock accounts and so forth, and distribute it to the heirs. But if you are the executor, then you do have a responsibility, especially if you have that will, because you don't want to be caught not probating the will. You don't want those 4 years to pass and then you had the will and you did nothing, because you may, my friend, may be held personally liable to those beneficiaries because you do have a fiduciary duty to them, even if it's a fiduciary duty that you don't want. And therefore you need to resign if you're an executor that you don't want to be, if you're the executor to a will that you don't want to be the executor for. But as for the heirs, they don't have any responsibilities or any duties. However, if you want to go get that property that your loved one left for you or died and that you're now the heir of, you actually have to do something to get it. And if you have an executor who is not doing anything, if you want the assets, you can take that will and you can probate it. If you want help with something like that, please reach out to an attorney. You can reach out to us here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where we love to help people like you every day. And if you love this video, go ahead, like, and please subscribe to our channel, because we have dedicated the whole channel to issues just like this. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.